what is the smallest number of squares that must be added to the figure such that it is symmetrical about the line drawn? Wonderful. This is 1 1. I'm going to just number regions 2 2, 3 3, 4 4. For this 5, there is no 5 here, so I'm going to add this here. 4 4 5 5. So I've added one shape. I'm going to call that A. I cannot count because I've already used 1 2 3 4 5. 5 and A match together. 6 6, 7 7, 8 8, 9 9, 10 10. All these match with each other. 11 11. This matches. For 12, there's no match, so there has to be a match here. This will be B. 12 will be matched to B, so there's a B that we need to add. 13 will have to get matched here. This has to be corresponding to this. This folds onto this, so 13 will get matched to a C. That is the third square that we need to add. 14 14, 15 15. This 16 will have to get matched to a D. 16 gets matched to D. So 5 does not have a pair, we add A. 12 does not have a pair, we add B. 13 does not have a pair, we add C. 16 does not have a pair, we add D. We should add 4 squares for this to be meaningful.